Our story starts in a small village. It was a happy place. Sunshine fell on the houses. The houses were small and colorful, but the prettiest thing was the flowers. Lots of colorful flowers. They grew everywhere. Red roses, yellow sunflowers, and bluebells. Everyone loved the flowers. One day something strange happened. A young girl named Lily went to pick flowers. Her basket was empty. She looked around, surprised. Where were all the flowers? She went to the village square. Lily asked everyone, "Have you seen the flowers?" But nobody had seen the flowers. The villagers were worried. They loved their flowers. What happened to them? Where could they be? It was a mystery. Lily decided to find the flowers. She looked everywhere. She knew the flowers were important to the village, bringing joy and color to their lives. She looked in gardens and by the river. She searched high and low, hoping to find even a single bloom. She even looked on top of the hill. The climb was tough, but she was determined. But the flowers were gone. Lily sat down, sad. She felt a deep sense of loss, as if a part of the village's spirit had vanished. She missed the bright colors. The vibrant hues that once painted the village were now just a memory. She missed the sweet smells. The fragrance that used to fill the air was gone, leaving a void. What would they do without flowers? The villagers were worried, their faces filled with concern. Suddenly she saw something shiny. It caught her eye, glinting in the sunlight. It was a small, colorful pebble. It was very pretty. She picked it up, marveling at its beauty. Then she saw another one, and another one. They were everywhere. Lily had an idea. Maybe these pebbles could bring back some joy. She put the pebbles in her basket. She gathered as many as she could, her heart filling with hope. She ran back to the village. Her excitement grew with each step. "Look what I found!" she shouted. The villagers gathered around, curious and hopeful. They had never seen such pretty pebbles. The colors were mesmerizing, almost magical. They forgot about the missing flowers for a moment. The pebbles brought smiles to their faces, reminding them that beauty can be found in unexpected places. Section 4. Pip investigates. Lily had a little dog named Pip. He was her loyal companion and best friend. Pip was a very clever dog. He always seemed to know when something was amiss. He was also very curious. His inquisitive nature often led him on little adventures. He watched as the villagers planted the seeds. They were colorful and unlike any seeds he had seen before. He sniffed at the ground where the colorful pebbles were planted. Something about them intrigued him. He tilted his head, as if thinking hard. What could these strange seeds be? He knew these weren't ordinary seeds. Pip decided to investigate. He followed Lily around, hoping to find clues. He watched her water the seeds every day, making sure they had enough to drink. He watched the sun rise and set, day after day, waiting patiently. He waited for the flowers to grow. Days turned into nights. Still, no flowers bloomed. Pip was worried. What if something was wrong? He started digging near the seeds. Maybe there was something hidden beneath the soil. He sniffed and he dug, sniffed and he dug. He was determined to uncover the mystery. He was determined to find out what was happening. Nothing could stop him now. Suddenly he bumped into something hard. What could it be? He barked and barked, calling for Lily. He needed her to see what he had found. Section 5. The Mystery Unraveled. Lily came running, her heart pounding with excitement and curiosity. She had never seen anything like this before. "What is it, Pip?" she asked, her voice trembling with anticipation. Pip had uncovered a big metal box buried underground. It was old and rusty with mysterious engravings on its surface. It was filled with flowers, beautiful, vibrant flowers that seemed to glow with an inner light. All the missing flowers were trapped inside. Lily was shocked. How could this be? Who would do such a thing? Mr. Bumble rushed over, his face pale with worry. He saw the box and gasped. The realization hit him like a bolt of lightning. "This is my fault!" he exclaimed, his voice filled with regret and sorrow. "I was trying to invent a way to keep flowers fresh forever. I wanted to preserve their beauty for all time. but I made a mistake and trapped them in this box. I never meant for this to happen." Lily and the villagers understood. They knew Mr. Bumble's intentions were good, even if the outcome was not. Everyone worked together to free the flowers. It was a community effort, filled with hope and determination. They carefully lifted them out of the box and planted them back in the ground. Each flower was handled with the utmost care. Soon the village was filled with flowers again. The colors were more vibrant than ever, and the air was filled with their sweet fragrance. They were even more beautiful than before. The villagers couldn't believe their eyes. From that day on, Mr. Bumble learned a valuable lesson. He realized that nature's beauty is best left untouched. He learned that nature should be appreciated, not controlled. It was a lesson that resonated deeply with everyone in the village. And so the village continued to bloom, year after year, with the most beautiful flowers, reminding everyone of the importance of kindness and respecting the natural world. The end.